Hi, I'm Matt Woodside, and I'm the Director of Exhibitions and Collections here at the South Florida Museum. And as you can see behind me, we're in the process of building the walls that are going to be part of the exhibition that we are going to be hosting from the Smithsonian Institution's Traveling Exhibition Services, also known as CITES. And the exhibition is going to be all about ants. The exhibition title is Farmers, Warriors, Builders, The Hidden Life of Ants, and it features the high-definition photography of Mark Moffett, sort of a world-renowned entomologist who has now specialized in ants. And the exhibit is going to highlight those really close-up, detailed photographs from ants from South America, Africa, North America, really kind of from all over the world, highlighting how social ants are and how incredible their life cycle is. Well, the exhibit is geared towards families, both adults and children. It does have a lot of photography that I think everyone will find fascinating, but it also has some interesting hands-on aspects to it as well. One of them is a cast of an ant nest that Mark Moffett and his crew created by actually going out into the jungle and finding an ant nest and then creating with molten aluminum a cast of the ant nest showing the different chambers and tunnels that the ants had created. And this will be a hands-on element that people will be able to not only visually experience but can come up and kind of touch and feel and be fascinated by the structure of ant nests. Well, the question is, why are ants valuable, or what's the importance of ants? They're little creatures that we pretty much take for granted, but in the broader sense, ants kind of provide the services in nature of cleaning up things. They're incredible species to study because of their social behaviors and their cooperative abilities. Fire ants have been known to, if they get flooded out, they will all get together and lock their legs together and create these floating rafts that, because of all the air that they trap between their bodies, is unsinkable. They really do some really incredibly amazing things. Without ants, we'd be living in a much stinkier place. Ants are safe to have as pets. There's a number of species, so there are species of ants that would be less. Probably you wouldn't want to keep a fire ant nest, because of their tendency to bite and sting. North American ants can be kept in ant farms, that we all are kind of familiar with, the little plastic ant farms, and they're fascinating to watch. And most of them are really, quite benign. It's only a few of the species, like the fire ants, as I mentioned, and some of the other South American ants that can pose any kind of a threat to humans. So we'll check back in a few days with more updates on the developments in the exhibition Farmers, Warriors, Builders, The Hidden Life of Ants.